Caroline. Today I'll be taking you on a tour of a new home community here in Palm Beach County. This community features 7 models, 13 different floor plans, ranging in size from 1,400 square feet to just over 2,700 square feet. Are you ready? Let's get started. So this home here is a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 3-car garage with the bonus loft room in this one. So it gives it an additional 444 square feet, the loft does. So you're just over 2,900 square feet in this floor plan, including the loft. When you come in, it is a triple split floor plan. So 1 bedroom is over here with the full bath. It's a very nice size. You could see the amount of furniture in here. It just has the regular closet, carpeting in this room, which a lot of times that's what the bedrooms come with. And this full bath is a shared bath. So that would be your guest bath too. And if you come over, this is the optional bedroom. It's flex space. They're using it as a den. And then here are the stairs leading up to the loft area. And I've seen many creative options with here. So they're using this as a workout room. And you do have a full bathroom up here. I've seen people make this, an additional TV room, office, really whatever you want, another bedroom, especially if you have one person that's up late or early and the other person isn't. You're kind of separate since we don't have basements in Florida. And that's the garage, but it's locked. That's just extra cabinets and your AC. And then you see the den with the TV and the nice open floor plan. What's unique about this one too is you have the laundry area right here to the right, and they made a door so it goes right into your closet of the owner's suite. Nice size closet space. You can see how much space is in here. Goes all the way through, and when you walk out of here, you are into the owner's bathroom. I love this feature too, the tub enclosed with the shower. I don't know about you, but if you ever take a bath, that you kind of have to rinse off, so that makes it pretty convenient. You have the dual sinks, the water closet is separate. Lots of space in the owner's suite. They did do the plank flooring in here. You can just see that the pool, hot tub area, patio area, and you do have that space open to your living area. So here you'd have just the kitchen, living, dining. It's all open. And then you have your lanai with the pool. So it's really nice home. Spacious, very well laid out. And then you do have another bedroom over here. And a full closet, full bath. In this floor plan, the way I'm looking at it when they designed it, just things that are coming to mind is if you were having your kids come down with the grandkids, they'd have their own separate space. The kids would have their own space. You as the owner would have your own space. And it's kind of separate from each other. It's, split up. This kitchen has that waterfall edge, stainless steel appliances, double oven, and then you have this pantry where they did more custom cabinets that would usually come with shelving. I like the two-tone, how they did different cabinet color in the island, gas cooktop with that pot filler, deep sink, and you can just see how open it is to the rest of the space. And there's the den. I really hope you like this video. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. I'm always here to help. And if you like this video, please let me know by hitting the like button and subscribing. And if there's a community you want me to tour in the Florida area, please let me know. Leave it in the comments below.